guys, and into this video I'm gonna show you how to change your pointer from Windows to macOS. So as you can see, I'm using Windows and I have my default Windows pointer. So you need to open Microsoft Edge or your browser and paste the link in the description, and just click on the button click to download here, and this will download a zip archive to your computer. You could extract it with any software, but yeah, I have downloaded and I have downloaded it before, so here it is. So click on the folder, and here you can see the pointers from macOS, but that's we're not completed yet. So what we're gonna need to do is, as you can see here it says we're gonna need to right click on install.inf and click on yes, click on install and click yes. As you can see, I just did that, and after that close out of the folder and go to control panel, click on the mouse option there in the control panel, and a window should pop up which says mouse properties. Here you have the settings, so go to pointers and under Sheen select 𝙎𝙬𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙗𝙬. After that click apply and yes, and then just click OK. As you can see, now my mouse changed and my mouse pointers to macOS pointers. Yeah, so these are the macOS pointers and they're looking good. So bye guys, and see you.